In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Xero Bill's email address. If you've ever wished you could send supplier invoices straight into Xero without downloading and uploading files, this is exactly what you're looking for. Xero gives every organization a unique bill's email address. When you or a trusted supplier forwards an invoice to that address, Xero automatically creates a draft bill for you to review and approve. Here's how to find that address quickly and confidently. Start by signing in to your Xero account with a user role that can view and create bills. From your Xero dashboard, head to the purchases area. This is where you manage your accounts payable, so it's the natural place to begin when you're working with bills. Once you're there, open bills. You'll land on the list of bills for your organization, including drafts, awaiting approval, or awaiting payment, depending on your filters. Next, choose New Bill. Even though you're not actually creating a bill right now, this screen is the fastest way to surface the forwarding address. On the New Bill page, look to the side panel or Helper area where Xero highlights options related to bills. You'll see an option labeled Copy Your Forwarding Email Address. This is the unique address assigned to your organization's bills inbox. Click Copy Your Forwarding Email Address. Xero will place that address on your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need it, into your email client, your supplier onboarding notes, or your internal documentation. Treat this address like any other workflow credential. Keep it private, share it only with people and suppliers you trust, and rotate or regenerate it if you believe it's been exposed. A couple of quick pointers to make this feature work smoothly. Ask suppliers to attach invoices as PDF files when possible, since PDFs usually extract cleanly into Xero. If a supplier includes multiple attachments, Xero may create separate bills, so it's best practice to send one invoice per email. You can also save the forwarding address as a contact in your email client with a clear name, so it's easy to find when you're forwarding documents. That's it. Identify the purchases area, open bills, head into New Bill, and copy your forwarding email address. With this in hand, you can streamline your payables by sending invoices straight into Xero, reducing manual entry, and keeping everything in one place for faster approvals. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough as you set it up in your own account.